Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sithelo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and also share this video. So Black China has become the very first slave queen in America, if there is such a thing there, to get baptized and mend her relationship with God. You guys, she fixed it all. She removed all her fillers, Botox, BBLs, and everything, and she went back to her original name, which is Angela White, and she even deleted her OnlyFans account, you guys, which has made her over $2 million. And now, you guys, our very own Sithelo Shozi followed suit after she got baptized recently and posted a video of herself getting baptized on Instagram. And people are saying that she did it for clout, you guys. Now, I personally do not think that she did it for clout. When God calls you, you shall follow suit. Now, there you have it, guys. Please do share your thoughts down in the comment section below. Also, subscribe if you have not yet done so. I will definitely see you on my next upload. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.